So the final fundamental, the seventh one, is follow through or the follow-up shot. So this is really important. I know myself when I was younger, we grew up on a farm and I'd go deer hunting and I'd shoot that deer, and as soon as I shot the deer, I'd pop my head up to see if I got it. And you know what happened? I couldn't find a deer. Because I took my eyes off of the scope, because I wasn't ready for that follow-up shot, I actually lost the target altogether. So what we mean by this is after you make that round, I don't want you looking to see where you hit the target. You keep shooting until you get that desired result of whatever it is you're doing. Focus on your sight alignment, focus on your trigger control, and do all the other fundamentals. And you focus on that, you'll hit that target. Never assume one shot will end the ordeal. We have to be ready to follow up. According to Uniform Crime Report by the FBI, it takes 2.6, 2.7 bullets. It does vary every year a little bit to incapacitate a person. So the idea of shooting once is mostly in your head. You've got to be ready to develop those skills and those 7 fundamentals, but you got to be ready to deploy them multiple times, 2, 3, 4, 5 times potentially. So being able to do that follow-up shot without having to go through all the other fundamentals will speed up not only your shooting, but increase your chance of survivability.